Hi all, this is Abhay Mahajan and I welcome you all to the series called United by Mathematics, wherein we discuss some elegant problems of Maths Olympiad across different countries, and this one is from South Africa 2006 Junior Maths Olympiad. The question says triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So this is an isosceles triangle where the vertical angle is equal to 100 degrees. D is a point on AC such that these two angles ABD, so this little angle is equal to this angle, right? We need to prove that AD, this length, plus DB, this length, is equal to BC, right? So this is quite an elegant question, and we will do this question using two methods, one by geometry, the other by trigonometry. So let us look at what we are given. So we are given that vertical angle is 100 degrees. So and this is an isosceles triangle, so that means this little angle is 40 degrees. And this is 20 degrees. And likewise, this angle is also 20 degrees as per the information given in the question, right? So the norm, if we are doing this by geometry, the norm is BC is equal to AD plus DB. This is what we have to find. So one of the most important ways that we normally do this question by is we locate a point E, let's say, on BC. So locate a point E on BC such that BE is equal to BD. BE is equal to BD. So if BE is equal to BD, this length is equal to this length, and on BC, which is the larger length, I have located a point BE such that BE is equal to AD. So this length is equal to BE. So all I need to prove now is AD is equal to CE, and if I am able to prove AD is equal to CE, I am done, because if AD becomes equal to CE and already BD is equal to BE, this is the construction that we have done already, we are done. BC becomes equal to BE plus CE, BE is equal to BD, and EC becomes equal to AD, and we are done. So this is what we need to prove geometrically, and let us see how do we do this. Alright, so we need to do some construction, some elegant construction. So of course, the first one is we need to find a point E such that BD is equal to BE. BD is equal to BE, right? And also we've drawn a line DF parallel to BC. DF parallel to BC. So what does these two construction, how does they help us? Let us see. Right, so let us assume this angle is theta, and this angle would of course be theta, wherein theta is equal to 20 degrees. We've already proved this. This little angle is 40 degrees. This is 40 degrees. And since BD is equal to BE, can I say triangle BDE is isosceles? So triangle BD is isosceles. This is 20 degrees, so of course this will be 80 degrees, and this would be 80 degrees as well. And if this is 80 degrees, this angle would be 100 degrees. This angle is 100 degrees. Now, what do we have? Since DF is parallel to BC, can I also say that triangle AFD? Triangle AFD is isosceles as well. So that means this angle is equal to 40 as well, because of course this is parallel to this. And if this is theta, can I say this angle would also be theta, because FD is parallel to BC. These are alternate interior angles. So this is theta, this is also theta. And what does this, how does it help us? Triangle BFD. Triangle BFD. So two angles are theta, so that means BF is equal to FD, guys. BF is equal to FD, and since FD was parallel to BC, we knew that BF is also equal to CD. BF is also equal to CD, that means CF is equal to FD. CD is equal to FD. CD is equal to FD. Now, if we look at triangles AFD and DCE, let us look at the triangles AFD and triangles CDE. Can I say the angles match? So 140 degrees, of course, this would be 40 degrees. 140 and 40. And also, FD is equal to CD. This is we've already proved. FD is equal to CD. So can I say these two triangles are congruent in nature? And if these two triangles are congruent in nature, I can say that AD is equal to CE. And this is what we wanted to prove. Now, BC can be written as BE plus EC, and BE is equal to BD, and EC, we've already proved EC equal to AD, and hence we are done. So this one was the geometrical solution. I hope you've all enjoyed and understood. Let us do this by one more method, and that involves trigonometry. And let us see how does trigonometry help us to make this solution more elegant. So trigonometry method. So let us look at this diagram. We have eliminated D for the time being. So this being an isosceles triangle, if this angle is 100 degrees, clearly this angle would be 40 degrees. If this is A and this is A, and let us mark this as E, can I say BE is A cos 40? And likewise, CE will be A cos 40. And this gives BC as 2A cos 40. If I by somehow prove that the left hand side is also 2A cos 40, I am done. If we prove that the left hand side, that is AD plus DB, is also 2A cos 40, we are done. So let us see how do we prove this geometrically. So if we look at this triangle, so clearly this angle is 20 degrees. 120 is 120 and this angle is 60 degrees. So that makes it 180 degrees. So if this is A as assumed in the previous figure, let us try to find the sides AD and BD in terms of A using sine rule. So triangle ABD, it says BD upon sine 100. BD upon sine 100 is equal to AD upon sine 20. AD upon sine 20 is equal to A upon sine 60. And this relation gives the value of BD and AD in terms of A, like BD would be A sine 100 upon sine 60. And likewise AD would be A sine 20 degrees upon sine 60. And let us add them up. Let us add these two up and see if we can reach the solution or not. So if I add these two up, AD plus BD would be A upon sine 60 can be taken out, and it will be sine 100 plus sine 20. Sine 100 plus sine 20. And you need to apply those CD formula that we learned in trigonometry basics. So sine C plus sine D, let me do it here. So it is A upon sine 60 into sine C plus sine D is 2 sine C plus D by 2, which makes it sine 60, into cos of C minus D by 2, which is cos 40. So this cancels out and we're left with 2A cos 40. So we've proved that BC was equal to 2A cos 40, and AD plus DB using trigonometry, we have proved this equal to 2A cos 40 as well, and this completes our proof. So this question could be done using two methods, two elegant ways, one by geometry, one by trigonometry. I hope you've enjoyed the solutions. God bless.